Hi, I'm having these diagrams A, B, C, and D. Now there is no writing here, but I have to make it vocal. So the question here is, you can see UV on the y-axis for each and every one of the options. You can see what U plus V on the what x-axis for each and every one of them. Now the question here is, which amongst these options is correct? Keeping UV, that's plotting UV against what U plus V. Which of the options is what correct? Now U means object distance, V means image distance. So we all know that the length formula is of this order: 1 over F is equals 1 over U plus 1 over what? V. Now let's work for this side. So what's the LCM of U and V? It should be what? UV. Now UV, this is 1 over F is equals UV divided by U will give me V, right? V times 1 will give what? V, plus UV divided by V will give me what? U. U times 1 will give me what? U. So I have 1 over F is equals, now this V plus U, let's make it what? U plus V over what? UV. They are the same thing. So when I cross multiply, what will I have? UV times 1 will give me what? UV is equals F times U plus V. This will be F into bracket U plus what? V. Now listen up. The ones on the y-axis, we have UV on the y-axis, then U plus V on the x-axis. So this is a straight line graph. They are all straight line graphs, and we all know that straight line graphs are of the formula y is equals mx plus c. Now this formula that we have here, let's relate it to what? Y is equals mx plus c, such that the one on the y-axis is uv and the x-axis is what? U plus what? V. Therefore we know our y-intercept, that's the value of y when x is 0. It is this c. It is this c that tells us where what the graph will start from, whether it is from the origin, whether it will cut y at -1, whether it will cut y. Does it make sense? So I have U, let's relate from what I said. If I write y is equals mx plus what? C. Now by relation, we see that UV should be on the y-axis, right? Look at it. UV and y on the y-axis. Now this M means slope. Now slope is what? The focal length. Yes, is correct. Then by relation again, U plus V is also on the x-axis, right? Now, is there anything here that indicates the y-intercept? There is nothing here, right? So we can just add plus 0. So it means that the y-intercept is what? 0. Now, let's go to the graph and know where the straight line hits y as 0. Now, let's start from option D. Looking at option D, we see that the straight line started from here. It touched y at points at the negative side. So let's just say that it is at -1. Therefore, it is definitely not the answer. We are checking for where it touches y at 0. Now, option C says, now looking at this straight line, it went this way. It touched y at the positive number. Now, this could be 1 or anything greater than 0. Now, I have this one. If you watch the straight line, it touched y at another positive part. So this could be 8, 7, do you understand? Anything greater than what? 0. Now, watch option A. The straight line started from the origin, right? Now the origin, x and y, that 0 at the origin. So the graph, as what we said earlier, the y-intercept is what? 0. So it should what? The straight line should start from the what? Origin, where y is what? 0. And that's our answer, which is what? Option what? A. Have a nice day. Like, comment, share and follow Coaches Academy. Bye bye.